Hi guys, today we will teach you how to change a UPS battery. So first we will remove the screws of the UPS from the bottom. Okay. And once we remove the screws, we will insert the battery in any case. And then the bottom comes out. Right, and then these connectors that needs to be unplugged, and then you have to buy a new battery, put it in. The red goes in the red and the black goes in the red. The black goes in the black, I'm sorry. Put it in. Need to make sure the cables are proper. And we just test it. There it goes. Right? And that's all there is to it, to changing a battery. Thank you. Bye bye.